welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing kiwi lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am going to start by making my simple syrup. I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. I am adding 1 cup of water. This is exactly how you make your simple syrup at home. And let me tell you, when you make your simple syrup at home, you use less sugar into your lemonades. If you add regular granulated sugar into your lemonades, you are going to add much more sugar that is needed. So always make your simple syrup in advance. Once the water is boiling and the water turns slightly yellow, turn off the stove, put it aside, and let it come to room temperature. Look at this. Make it. Make your simple syrup at home. There's no need to buy it when you could easily make it at home. And now I am going to continue with my lemons. I have organic lemons from my garden, and these have no seeds. I am so lucky. And now with this little gadget, I'm going to remove all the juice from these lemons, not leaving anything behind. I need about 1 cup to 1.5 cups to really enjoy this lemonade at home. Look at this. This little gadget you could find in any supermarket or Walmart. I'm going to continue getting the delicious juice. I have about 1.5 cups, and now I am ready to continue with my kiwis. I'm cutting the edges out, and now I'm going to peel the skin. Make sure that you really peel the skin really good, or when you are drinking your water and there's still little pieces of skin, that's going to burn your lips. Rinse them really good and then add them into your blender cup. This NutriBullet, I only use it for my lemonades and my smoothies. Of course, I'm going to get 2 rounds pieces of the kiwi for the decoration of the pitcher and my glass. Look at this. The color looks amazing. And of course, I am going to start adding the lemon juice into the kiwis. Like I said, we got about 1.5 cups of the lemon juice. Make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. So easy to prepare, very few ingredients, and of course, add enough water to blend. And now I am going to cover it and we are going to blend it really good for a couple of minutes. This kiwi lemonade is so refreshing. Here in California, it's really hot. And instead of enjoying a soft drink, I am going to enjoy an amazing agua fresca at home. When you make it, you have control of how much sugar you add. So here I'm going to add the pinch of salt. This is gonna bring down the acidity of the lemon. And now I'm adding everything that I have in my blender cup, 1 cup of the simple syrup, and then fill the pitcher with water. I'm not adding any ice because my family will come later. So I don't want to dilute my amazing kiwi lemonade. Of course, I am going to add enough ice into my glass so that I enjoy it really nice and cold. Let's taste. It tastes amazing. We don't need extra syrup. So now I am ready to prepare my glass and ready to refresh myself. Look at this. This looks amazing. The green color of the kiwi, oh my God, and the little pieces of the little seeds of the kiwi look amazing. Like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being part of my family. I am ready to prepare my glass with lots of ice and enjoy it. This looks amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this refreshing and delicious kiwi lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Oh my God. So refreshing and so delicious. Use the fruit that is in season to make your amazing homemade lemonades. If you liked and love this amazing lemonade of kiwi, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.